Today we're doing a deep dive into Vesper Finance, ticker symbol VSP. Now, this was requested by one of our watchers, viewers in the comments down below. As always, I always check out the altcoin projects you guys talk about because I really like to research into these. I'm interested in all things blockchain and other investment sectors, obviously, but anything that's altcoins that's around, like, I would say a $15 million market cap to a $50 million market cap, I'm very interested in putting a small amount of capital, seeing how it works, following the project, and adding anything to the project if I can. Now, Vesper Finance is actually pretty interesting because essentially what they do is they have a hub for gaining access on your DeFi. Most people know this as staking, yield farming, but they have a bit of a different take on that. We will be covering that more in detail when we hop into my computer, really dig through the Vesper Finance website, go over to CoinMarketCap, analyze the price, analyze the tokenomics, look at the market cap. Like I said, it's right around $30 million. So it fits my price projection. And just as a little caveat, with all these altcoins we talk about, I do a lot of research before, once I see the comment, and I do a lot of research on these projects before I make a video on this, because I don't want to condone any of these. First of all, none of these videos is saying you should invest in it. It's just really just so you can consume the data, the objective data. I try to be pretty objective with these videos, maybe give my opinion at the very end, but give kind of the real world use cases, what this project's doing, and their tokenomics. You can kind of understand, here are the facts, and then make your own opinion based on those facts. That's why we have the do your own research video, as always, linked down below in the description, so you can understand kind of my methodology for doing your own research. And it's very, very important to do this because I know a lot of people like FOMO into small cap altcoins without really understanding what they're doing. But I really think something unique like Vesper Finance that's kind of taking a little bit of a different angle on yield farming, on staking, and really digging into DeFi. So let's jump right into Vesper Finance. All right, we're here on the Vesper Finance main website. This is their official site. Make sure you're on Vesper Finance. What we'll do is move over to the app where I have connected my MetaMask. Essentially, when you go onto this app, it'll have Wallet Connect or MetaMask. You want to add that on. This is a practice MetaMask. I have multiple accounts. I do actually hold some VSP tokens, so I don't have that loaded up in this one, but it's all the same. Just doing this for kind of privacy purposes, if you will. And then Vesper Finance on CoinGecko. So homepage, Vesper is a DeFi ecosystem and growth engine for your crypto assets. Vesper provides a suite of yield-generating products. So essentially what this means is you'll be earning interest on your funds. So whether that's annual percentage rate or monthly percentage rate, that'll be calculated up, focused on accessibility, optimization, and longevity. You can hit the documentation tab over here to see more about the white paper. You can see about the security here, frequently asked questions. In the app, when you click this, you'll be popped over here. We'll get to that in a minute. So if we scroll down here, what you can see is Vesper's pool. So yes, this is a little bit small earning rate for each of these, I do admit. But for Vesper, this is where I'm personally considering staking. I am not staking it quite yet. I want to do a little bit more with the security, but I do really like this project overall. So you can see like the percentage here for this individual asset versus the percentage in Vesper, okay? So the earning rate for VSP currently is this, but again, these things change pretty much every day. So if we're looking in the app, if I do believe it's around 90% for VSP. I'm trying to remember exactly. This is VSP USDC, but earning rate, let's go here, Vesper post deploy. When I was looking at it before, I can't remember exactly where this is at, but it was around 90% APY. Here we go. So we can go here. It's VVSP, okay, so this is Vesper Finance. Okay, here, down. Yep, okay, right at 89.94%, so right around 90%. That's quite nice. Same as here, my apologies for that. But I was looking at it like a day ago, and it was a little bit higher than that. So stay updated. You can kind of click here if you want to really have a, if like they do an airdrop, anything like this, not saying they will, but those type of updates you want to get. Stay tuned for. So make your crypto work harder for you. Available now, you have Vesper Grow, effortlessly grow your digital assets. Vesper keeps you on strategy to help you hodl better. Currently offering conservative pools with ETH, wrap BTC, and USDC. So again, typically the higher the percentage rate, the more riskier it is. I'm on some like more riskier ones. I would consider PancakeSwap somewhat riskier because it is on Binance Smart Chain. But I'm earning 140% APY on my cake, and my cake is done basically at 20x. Like I sold some at the 20x. I got in around $1. Sold at the 20x mark, and then the rest I just have writing. And I'm buying the dip a little bit. It's consolidating down with the whole DeFi market. But you have Vesper Earn, so hold one crypto, earn another, ideal for income generating strategies. Vesper Stake, you can stake this. Vesper Labs, pool value community loves the revenue and fees. You can see their partners here. You have digital strategies, you have Veritable. They have their, yeah. So all great things. Yeah, so essentially, like I said, with this application, what you do is you just connect your Web3 wallets. You can do wallet connector MetaMask. I use both, but you can then see with Vesper Rapid BTC how this is going to work. I'm not going to reconnect. I'm already connected. But man, that's annoying. I don't know why that keeps popping up. Okay, let's move on to CoinGecko. Vesper Finance VSP. This is the actual token. It's sitting right around $30.40 at the time of recording this. Just for transparency's sake, it is March 1st when we're recording this, so it's good to know. $43 million is the market cap. That's fairly low for a project like this. Fully diluted is $300 million. 24-hour looks like around $7 million. I like to see around $10 million personally if I'm going to trade something like this, but I'm not actively trading Vesper, so I'm not too worried about that. Volume just important. You don't want to be the only one trading the asset. You know what I mean? You don't want to just be you and some other whale. So it looks like, I mean, this hasn't moved a ton if you go to the max, but it is a pretty new project. You have to take that into account. So the earliest price action was, at least the CoinGecko had, was right around $10. So I mean, this is a decent one to get into in my opinion. I think our all-time high was right here. Yeah, right around $50. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed this one, definitely let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about Vesper Finance, their application, and their actual token. As always, if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, button all, invest global, and until next time.